update ko na. Isa pa lang.
Okay, na-update mo na. Narinig ko ba? Joakim. Joakim.
One color.
Joakim.
Grabe ko tapos. 99 na.
Narinig ko ba ako?
Ano ba?
Narinig ko. Joakim. Joakim, the horror mod is here.
Okay?
Bro, what are you doing? Mag-record ako ng video, kaya mag-English ako. Okay, I'm gonna get this straight. Oh, hell no! Hell no! Hell no!
Nakaintig ka?
Hindi!
Yeah.
Di ako magka-creative, survival lang tayo para mas scary. Alam mo si ano?
Ano mga pinalitak sa akin? Picture.
Joakim, alam mo si Swaley?
Ha?
Kilala mo si Swaley?
Hindi.
Oo. Sayang. Ano yun siya eh? Minecraft horror YouTuber. He's a horror YouTuber.
Alam ko yung tweet sa that mob.
Okay. Alam mo lang si Patmob? Tsaka si Pixel?
Okay, okay na Minecraft ko. Play now.
Kilala mo si Puff? Do you know?
See?
Do you know who's Puff?
Wow.
Why?
Ano siya na wala?
Para si Datmob lang siya. Tsaka si ano Swaley.
Ano siya na gravity?
Hindi pa. Hindi ko na tignan. Bro, yung horror mod na to mukhang si parang si Barry. This horror mod looks like Barry. And I'm scared.
Baka i-update ko Kuya Mike. Anong girl ng software update?
Oh, meron na nga.
Pero saan wala eh. If in-update ko yung Minecraft ko, bawal software na yun. Hindi lang pa rin hindi kasama mo to. Ang server mo to.
Hindi yan kasi ano server. Yan ang cellphone mo.
Tagal na mga... Tagal? Huwag mo nila tamagin. Sige, 5 minutes out.
Antayin mo lang.
Kaya muna sa atlas ah.
Just wait for it.
Mag-join ako, hindi sabihin mo.
Where are you? It's a PNG! Oh, hell! Oh, I can't swim!
Nagpa-reaction ko tanda daw.
Update mo Minecraft mo. Jane, early. I just saw the monster. The stupid skeleton. Skeletons wanna touch me.
Nag-download ako.
Did you guys see that?
ko yung mod.
You guys see that very scary? It's really scary. Oh, nag-join ka na.
Ha?
Nag-join ka na. Bro, nakita ko yung horror mode. Ano siya? PNG lang siya. Picture.
Okay.
Parang si Verity.
Very creepy.
It's like Verity.
Shit.
Bro. Oh, hell no.
Parang sa encounter.
Joakim, come to my house quick. Quickly.
Saan ka?
Tignan mo yung indicator bar.
Ang. Bakit ito?
Pinapatay ka ng horror mod.
Tawag.
Bro, run.
Ginawa na yung tag mo. Hi.
Come. Bro, you're lagging.
Hello guys, CR ako. Hello, kami horror mod, Dati Johan.
Join mo kami. Join us.
Namatay ako kasi lalo mo yan, dahil pangit ka.
What? Joakim mo. Port.
Hindi ako.
Oh, join ka kay horror mod. Ano ginawa?
Horror mod.
Bro, you're
Ang si Verity. Kupa ko.
recording and I'm recording, bro. What are you doing?
Naliligo ako pero naliligo ka, tapos sobrang ka din.
Show us proof. Show us proof. Show us proof.
Yeah. Dang.
Okay. Bro, where is the horror mod? Is that it?
Bueno, pues, wala na ako yun.
Ha?
Isang magagawa ang ano na stuff.
Maghahanap ako ng... Maghahanap ako ng sheep. I'm gonna find... I need some sheep.
Kumuha na.
I need six sheep.
Yes.
That's a sheep, but that's a baby. I found a sheep, but it's a baby sheep.
Okay. Wala sir.
Okay.
Para pumunta tayo ng mga ibang wild. Kaya hindi mo isunod.
Nga pala, there's a cave dweller. Joakim.
Hindi, hindi alam din.
Yes.
Wala mo po mag.
I forgot to mention.
Oh shoot, he's here.
I just heard him talking. The Verity horror mod is there.
Buti na sa taso.
Diyan siya? He's there?
Ano siya?
Is he there?
No.
Okay.
Yeah, okay.
Joakim, do you have school?
One.
Anong one?
One pork chop.
School. School, hindi food.
Wala. Why? Meron ka?
Di ka pa pupunta sa school?
Hindi ako. Friday, di ba?
Hindi. Tinatanong ni mami kung pupunta ka na sa school sa Monday. Kung may pasok ka na.
Ah, may kaso ang Monday.
Okay, bro, there's a baby zombie.
Wow, bait mo lang yung bed. Respect ko yung yung standpoint ko. Respect ko yung standpoint ko. Kuya Matt?
What?
Ay, sahib.
Where?
Malapit sa ground.
Saan? Wala naman ah.
Wala, hindi. Nakita ko yung disappear siya. Bakit ako may torch?
Ito yung torch. May kinuha ka kape.
Ah,
Gusto mo ng mutton?
mutton, yes.
Okay.
I need food. Wala yung food ko.
I give you 2.
Eggs.
Bro, we can't sleep. We need more wool. Bro,
We need more wood. Meron tayong wood ah.
wool.
Pero binulit ko.
Wool. Hindi, wool.
Hintayin natin sa morning.
May witch sa baba.
Ikaw naman tutulog na agad mo yun.
May witch sa baba.
Ay, ay, ito din oh. Oh! Shoot. Tayo natin. Kaya may commands ka?
Tapos,
Wala tayo ng change yung commands today.
wala akong commands.
Oh.
Dalawa.
Tayo. Oo, buti ko na yun.
Oh. I have to find more sheep, Joachim. I'll be back. There's 3 creepers in the water.
Yeah, nakita ko na yun eh.
Bro, I have to run.
Ano mode to? Hard mode?
Ha?
Ano
Normal?
mode to?
Normal lang.
Gusto mo easy mode? Nagdalawa lang tayo.
Ayoko. Normal mode lang para mas scary. So,
Okay.
it's very scary. Oh, hell no.
Well, I can see the forward.
Found a sheep. Never mind, that's a birch tree. Tree?
What inside?
I found a creeper and a speeder.
To guard the road. Wala sheep lang nalilita dito.
May sheep dyan? Bro.
Ano yung sheep? Baka yung passive mobs will be despawned sa night.
Sabi mo may nakita kang sheep.
Sabi ko wala akong nakita sheep.
Bro. Sabi mo, ba't ang daming sheep dito? I need to find less sheep. Oh, never mind. I found a pumpkin. I'm gonna get all of these pumpkins. Oh, yes.
Wala may backrooms mod pala. Wala may backrooms mod.
Wala.
Hindi meron.
Sa server na to, sa Minecraft.
Punta ka sa browse add-ons.
Wala akong mine coins. Di ako pwede bumili nun. I don't have mine coins.
May villager add-on. Yung villager pwede siya makakuha ng ng armor.
Bro, there's a witch. There's a witch, there's a bitch.
There's caves, internal caves add-on.
There's a KFC here. There's a KFC pumpkin pie.
Ay,
Oh, shittings.
what?
Oh, shittings. I think just the end.
May sword ako. May sword pa?
Wala na.
Huwag ko patayin yung witch.
Papatayin ko kayo, mamatay ko. Oh my god.
Okay. So, bakit tayo?
Uy, yung items ko.
Come on. One blue power.
Oh, does not have one. Where's it go?
Shoot, shoot, shoot.
Oh my goodness.
Buntik na na guy. One half heart na lang ako. Yeah.
Sorry, muntik na matay, tapos patay ka na. Stop the cap, bro. Give me my sword.
Wait lang. Oh, stop sword mo.
Bro.
Direction na. Water!
Oh my good.
Oh my gosh.
Find my sword.
Kung may pagkamatay ka, punta ka doon sa skybase.
Oh. May sword ako. Kunin ko yung items mo.
Ayos ka?
Kukunin ko yung items mo.
Ano yung parang drowning?
Ewan ko kasi... Stay down. Finally!
You killed it? Yes.
Wait,
Give me my stuff. Oh my god.
go back up. I have your stuff. There's a baby zombie!
Don't we have a heart lang ako.
I'm gonna die!
Don't worry, I will protect you.
I hate baby zombies.
Saan ang stuff ko? Within yung mga stuff ko.
Boom, bap,
Ay, cool.
pow. Yan na. Ah! Joakim, yung items mo nasa water. Joakim! Ayun o!
Yes, stuff. Yes, my stuff.
I have your food. I'll give it back when I'm done with the ladder. Oh shit.
Wala my pickaxe.
Oh, wait, you have pickaxe? Oh, I think I picked up your pickaxe.
Pickaxe.
I have your pickaxe.
Yes, my sword. Yung sword ko.
Yung sword mo na sa shore.
Yung sword ko sa ocean. Oh.
Yan, ocean river. Oh!
Ano? What?
Oh, I
What?
almost died.
Wait. Hello, sword.
Wait lang, wait lang.
It's a book.
We gotta cover up these zombies.
Where's my pickaxe? My pickaxe in the water or axe plate?
Joakim, here's your
Or
pickaxe.
the axe ko?
I have your pickaxe. Joakim.
Where is the axe?
There. Get it. Before very
Alright. Pinay mga stuff ko. Matik na ako.
You have to find falsity.
Mas may baby. Ano magkinamatay? What?
There's a baby!
Ano for one? Pati ka na namatay?
There's a baby drowned. Ow, 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 ow. I poisoned myself.
Oh, shit. Pati ka na namatay. What?
Oh my god. We are so cool.
Server.
What?
Oh, the drown took my sword!
I got this. Kill him.
Akin.
Oh!
Sorry. That's my sword.
Okay. We have to go up before the baby drowned. The baby drowned is there! Oh!
Where's the beams? Where?
There's a sheep!
Shoot!
I killed it.
Uy, dapat kumuha ka ng shears!
Eh. Wala akong iron.
Oh!
I don't even have iron.
Nakotak mo sa skybase!
Okay.
Wala sa Skybase, may darkness tayo.
Oh,
Ay, tumulong guys.
aray.
Ano sa baba?
Ha?
Ang putang sa baba, may darkness ako.
Anong darkness? Oh, ba't may darkness?
Ito yung Jackie.
Joachim, where are you going?
Ano, I found a chicken.
Can you find a... what is that?
Yes, food.
Joachim, find a sheep so I can make you a bed.
Endless suffering for you limitless
Yeah, iron.
fun.
No, I said I don't have iron.
Oh, I killed the pig.
What?
I found sheep.
You found a sheep? How many wool do you have?
Oh, yes, yes, yes. Brown sheep.
Why do you
I
want...
found brown sheep.
No, don't get that. I need white so we can make you a bed. Because white... I need 3 white wool. It's the easiest to get. And I'm not racist.
Kailangan natin ng string para i-craft natin yung wool block.
Pagpatay...
Oh, shit. 2x.
Eh di magpatay ka ng Vex? What my Vex?
X.
Oh, the horror mod's here.
Oh, shit. Pag-down siya.
Saan siya?
Ito.
Where?
Oh,
Joachim, sa likod mo!
naka-climb siya. Naka-fly siya. Naka-climb siya.
Nagka-climb?
Pilit mo itong Franks. There's cobblestone.
Bro, it just appeared behind you. How did it climb?
Wait. Niligo ako.
Pagkain mo.
Kaya may kinabol ko yung ano na to.
Paano ako aakyat?
Sira ko.
Sirain mo. Wag ko ano. Wala ka namang pickaxe.
Meron akong pickaxe?
Okay, I'm gonna go get some more stone.
Natin coal.
Ha?
Yes, may string tayo. Pwede na craft ng water. Dalawa lang.
Kailangan mo na mas marami pang ano, string. You need more string than that.
Yeah. Oh, shit.
Oh, hell no!
Why cheap? Wait, like,
Bro, ba't naging dark yung screen ko?
where am I found wool?
How many wool? How many yan? Joachim. How many is that wool? We need 2 more wool.
Endless suffering for you
Why are you whispering?
endless suffering for you limitless fun for us.
Why do I hear something? What?
Endless suffering for you
What's
limitless
that
fun
sound?
for us.
Bro, do you hear that? Oh, don't go there. Do you hear that sound? Someone's talking. Oh, hell no! Joachim, get out of the water.
Wait lang. I like wool.
What?
Oh,
How many?
wool.
How many wool?
One.
Okay. We need 1 more.
Okay.
Oh my diddy. Bro, this video's taking too long. Where is... Oh! Oh! I almost died to the magma. Stop whispering. Oh. That's why you're whispering. Bro, I only got 4 coal. Hell no! Hell no! He's here!
Oh, baby pig. Baby pig.
What? Baby what? Baby pig?
Yes, you.
Okay. Get that sheep. Pink? Pink sheep? You found a pink sheep?
Endless suffering.
Oh, hell no! He's here! Oh, you just died.
Fun for us.
Bro, he's there! I fell! Oh, my booty! Oh! Oh! Nawala siya? Okay. Oh. Oh, I almost died. Oh, look, there's a sheep. Kunin mo yung wool mo. Get your wool. What? Where is it? Where's your stuff? Give me your wool. Give me your wool. Okay, good. I'm gonna make you a bed. I'm gonna go into this cave first. Bro, we need a better pickaxe. Joachim, he's here. Run! 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 Just run! Run! To the sky base! I can hear him! Survival instincts of a fly. Why did you break the ladder? Bro, why did you break this? Oh, hell no. Joachim, run! He's here! No! Oh! Break the blocks! Break the blocks! Break it! Break it! Oh my god! He was right there! Go get your items. Go get your items. This mod is really scary. What the frick? Then go get it. Go get your items. This is like Verity, but he's black and more scarier. That sounds so bad. Never mind. A pig! Get the pig. There's a pig over there. Oh, he's gone. Joachim, come up here. There's a bed now. We can. Ha? Ba't nasira? Ow! Ako na mag-fix. Oh! Ano? Ba't ka kasi nag-place ng blocks? Umakit ka! Ah! Bro, get my items. I'm Techno Blade. I'm killing this guy with a pickaxe. Joke him. Where's my items? Give me Wait, put it in the chest upstairs. Put my items in the chest upstairs. Put it in the chest. No, put my items in the chest. Put my items in the chest.
Bro, this is not an item. Your items isn't in my inventory.
Yes, just give me my sword.
I don't want a stone sword.
Oh, maybe it's under here. Bro, I swear if he spawns out of nowhere. Okay, I have my sword. Now I'm stuck. Why did you let it go? You're gonna touch my finger, so which finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. My eyes are twitching. I don't get enough sleep. I'm not cut out for this. Yes, just wait. Why are you sleeping in my bed?
Sorry.
Just go sleep. Finger did it bite? This little finger on my right. Make a stone pickaxe then. Oh, deal. What?
I saw the one walking in the tree.
Okay. Wait, I lost my axe. I need to make a new axe.
I don't have an axe.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a new one. I'm gonna go to the mines. I'm gonna make a stone. Never mind. How did you die? There's a great. Why did it explode? Don't go to the mines. The scary Larry is very rare. You better go up. The horror monster. I just need some stone. Never mind. Never fucking mind. Just let me get some stone, dude. Stop camping all of the mines. I swear if he pops out of nowhere, I'm gonna come all over him.
Endless
There's
suffering
lava!
for you limitless fun
Are
for
you
us.
kidding me? Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me? What?
Endless suffering
Wait.
for you limitless fun for us.
This guy's camping me.
The monster.
Yeah.
Endless suffering for you limitless fun for us.
I'm just trying to make an axe. This monster.
Endless suffering for you limitless fun for us.
That's not me.
Endless suffering for you limitless fun for us.
Hell no. Just let me go back to my place. Oh my god! He's camping. He just loves camping. Of course. Wait, let me see if I can see it. There's nobody out there. What the fuck do you mean found me? Bro, he's camping me. I'm hiding from him.
For you limitless fun for us.
He can climb and he can break blocks. Is he? He's gone. I'm getting the hell out of here. I am not coming back to this. Of course! Oh, never mind! I am gonna. Whoa!
You died?
Oh no, not yet. I'm not dead yet. Don't you know I'm still standing? You're fucking run away. Oops, sorry. Bro, he was camping me the whole time. I couldn't even run away. Wag mo na i-cover. Hindi naman siya nakaka-break ng trapdoor. He can't break through the trapdoor. He's dumb. Haha, you dummy. Where's the dummy? Whose items is that? Did you kill a sheep? I have no more food. I need food. But I can't go down because he's probably camping. I found gravel. Hell no, zombie. You are not getting out of here now. I'm gonna get some food. I'll be back. Oh my god, bro! I can't do anything! He's just camping out there. He's waiting for me to come down. This guy is actually Verity. He wants to touch me. Where are you, you sick fuck? There's a zombie down there. Joachim, should I end the video here? And then we can make the part 3 tomorrow? Joachim, should we make a part 3 tomorrow? What? Okay, Joachim said let's end the video here. So, we'll end the video here. See you guys tomorrow.